Today I will show you how to make roasted garlic mayo. Let's cook with us.
We need garlic, mayo, salt, black pepper and white wine vinegar. Roast garlic with salt, black pepper and extra virgin olive oil. Cook inside oven on 200 temperature 20 to 25 minutes. Garlic is ready. Now time to smash all the garlic.
Transfer to the smash.
Transfer garlic to a big bowl. Add mayonnaise.
Transfer mayonnaise.
A pinch of salt, black pepper, white wine vinegar. Mix well and a little bit oregano. Mix and that's it. Eat with fry items.